In this video, I'm gonna show you how to refund a Brawl Star purchase. First step that you need to do is to click the three-lined icon here in the top right corner of the screen and then click the settings here. Now we need to head to the help and support. Once inside the help and support, I want you to click the purchases here and then access the in-app purchases. Now click the manage in-app purchases. As you can see here, it is not indicated how to refund a purchase in Brawl Stars. So we need to connect to a real-time agent by clicking the blue messenger icon here, then click the leave a message. Here we will be discussing our issue regarding the refund. I want you to click the issues with purchases, then enter or type in the real problem, which is the refund of your Brawl Star purchase. So before doing this, you need to make sure that you have already prepared your Brawl Star receipt regarding your purchase on their product. And that's it. That's how you can refund your Brawl Star purchase in Brawl Stars, and thank you for listening.